the principal sir, the vice principal madam, the teachers, and my dear friends. I am here to deliver a speech about Mahaushadha Pandita. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer. One day, he was walking on the road, thinking I should get some wool. When he went, he saw some cows to sale. He asked from the owner of the cows, "Can you please give me one cow for 1,000 rupees?" Then he got the cow and he was walking along the road, thinking. After some time, he was very tired. He saw a big tree. He went under to the tree and he slipped, get a little bit. After some time, he heard some noise. He quickly woke up. Then he saw, "My cow is missing," he cried. Then he went all the ways he can go. Then he saw a man with his cow. He told, "Mister, this is my cow. How would you dare to get my cow?" He complained. Then the thief told, "This is my cow. I can't give my cow to you." The farmer got angry and he told, "I will tell this to the Mahaushadha king." Then he went to the castle and told, "My lord, please help me. I'm in a big trouble. I got a cow for 1,000 rupees. Now my 1,000 rupees is lost because my cow had been stolen from a thief," he complained. The king told, "Bring the thief and the cow to the castle." He brought the thief and the cow to the castle. The king told, "First, who was with the cow?" Farmer told, "I was with the cow and I was walking around with him." Then the king told, "We can't solve this question." The king told to his minister, "Get some poor believers and trust them and make a juice." Then he made a juice. Then after they gave the juice to the cow. After some time, cow vomited. Then in the vomiting, the king recognized there are only the king examined the vomiting. Then in that vomiting there were only grass. The farmer told, "I had given grass only." The thief told, "I gave punakku and undupiyaliye." Then the king told, "This belongs to the farmer." Then king told the thief, Don't if till others think, do your own business." The moral of the story is, don't steal others. Be a peaceful man and be a good person in future. Thank you to listen my story.
Kamu jadi ini. Deh, foto dekat.